and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. As you can see here on the table, guys, I have a APC battery backup or uninterrupted power supply, and this model is the APC BE850M2, and this particular variant is the 850 VA, which is equivalent to 450 watts. And as you can see on here, you have a crude joint showing you what the product looks like, and you can see the logo here, APC, along with the battery backup. And the reason I got this, guys, is for my PlayStation 4 Pro. So guys, if you're thinking about getting a good battery backup, after my research I found that APC makes great battery backups. And not only that, guys, but they're also very reliable. It's great for cases where you're having power outages, frequent power outages in the air. As you may know, this may damage your PlayStation 4, right? So you can get one of these to back up your critical devices. Because at the end of the day, you have to think to say that, guess what? These products or electronics cost so much money, and why not just spend a little bit more money, get something to regulate the voltage, and just in case of a sudden power cut, you can actually protect your devices, including your PC, your PlayStation, other electronic devices. You can even charge your phone in case of a power outage. All right. So if you look on the box right here, you'll notice the features. It contains 9 outlets. There's also surge protection. That's for sudden increases in power on the electrical lines. There's auto shutdown software in case your product supports it. It can actually shut down your PC. There's quick mute in case you do not like the annoying sounds that your UPS actually makes, and you get 2 USB charging ports, which is great as you can easily charge any device here that needs USB power. At the top here you can see a number of other products provided by APC, and up here you'll notice the various power readings telling you how long you can actually get with various configurations. I'll actually just focus the camera. You guys can pause and check this out later on. But as I said, guys, from my research, I found that the PlayStation Pro should at max draw about 310 watts, right? And with the TV that will be connected as well, in case of a power outage, we should be getting about 450 watts, which should be more enough to give us time to power down the PS4 before a sudden cut of the power, which can damage the hard drive as well as the hardware. All right, so I advise you guys to actually get this as well. So this is mainly an unboxing and basic setup. So you can look at the back of the box here. I'll focus again. You can actually pause, check this out for yourself. I'll just bring everything into view. You can see the general layout, and I'll just focus here. You can read the information later on. All right, to the sides you can notice the other information. To this side you can notice the information as well. Next I'm going to show you what's inside the box and what you actually get with this brand new APC UPS. Guys, I'm just going to start off. You may be affected by the camera angle, but I'll put everything in frame. So I'm just going to open up the box. So the box is sealed, and I'll just place everything as you can see. All right, so of course, forgive me guys for the camera angle. I'm actually recording this while trying to do everything by myself here. So as you can see, the box is freshly open. I'm just going to get out everything. As you can see, we have some packing material here. Over here we have the APC battery backup. As you can see it right here in person, and you see it says backup UPS 850, which is this model. You get the 2 USB ports. There's also a quick warning right here. Right, so there's a quick warning right here to say stop. It says turn product over, remove rear cover, and basically connect the battery. And this is for safety reasons. One of the poles are not connected. It's quite easy. Simply slide off the back and basically connect the extra attachment when this is new. So I'm gonna adhere to this. Later on you can actually remove this. You can see the APC battery backup. We have the user manual right here. Alright, so we can put this aside. Along here as well we have the plastic packaging. Alright, and I just took this out earlier at the store just to look at it once. And of course you have the rest of the unit. I'm just going to remove everything and show you on the table in a few seconds. Alright, here guys, here's the unit and the paperwork. Now you can check out the outlet power cable for the wall, I like the design, looks quite rugged. You can see right here, it leads to this section around here. There's lots of cooling vents, which is nice in case for overeating, so this will always keep cool. And as I said, there's the warning sticker here. There's also on this side other vents. There's some certifications on the side and so on. Now the entire thing, or the entire package, weighs around 9 pounds, or just a bit over 9 pounds, so it's quite weighty, and that's because of the battery pack that's on the inside. Remember guys, this is just a 850 VA unit, and I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like to actually turn this over and what you actually do to set this up for the first time. Alright, so here we go guys. As I said, forgive me for the camera angles. I'm trying to do this all by myself. So as you can see here guys, you simply turn over the unit right here, and here's the base along with the other information. And to remove here, just simply slide this off. You'll then remove the battery that's on the inside. I've already done it. I'm not going to actually show you in this video. And what you do is just connect the terminal to the one that's not connected as yet. Once you do that guys, you'll be good to go. Later on you can actually change out the battery and so on in case it goes bad or so. So I'm just going to put this back. Alright. And of course up here I'm just going to remove the sticker, seeing that everything is already connected. And you can see that it gives you the surge protection and plus battery for these ports, meaning you can connect up to, that's what, 3, 4, 5, 6 devices to get the battery surge protection, or you can just provide surge protection for some other devices. So battery, anything that's connected on this side will draw a battery. In case you just need the surge protection, you can actually use these 3 extra ports over here. So in all you have 9 ports. That's 3, 3, 3, right? So that's 9 ports total. All right, so you can actually configure the way you like. And I like the addition of these 2 ports down here that adds the protection of that gives you additional ports for USB charging, and it gives a nice 2.4 amps, which is a lot of power to charge various devices. All right. Okay, at the sides over here guys, you have a number of things, including the billing wire fault indicator. There's also a data port, as well as the circuit breaker testing button over there. All right, so that gives everything that you could possibly need in one uninterrupted power supply unit. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask them below. In a minute I'm just going to try powering this up. So all it's not connected, it should have a little juice in, so I'm just going to test it out. And as you can see, the unit is working quite fine. As I told you, I already connected it. Notice the frequency of the blinking light. And of course later on it will change to amber and so on, and change accordingly. And it's not plugged in, but you do see that it's working. So I'm just going to turn this off. Alright, so I'm not sure how this actually works. So I'm just testing this out for the first time. So later on I'll figure that out. Alright guys, so this has been my my quick unboxing, I should say, APC unit that you're seeing here. Later on I'll actually do a review for the PlayStation and how it actually, the PlayStation Pro, and how it, the PlayStation 4 Pro, and how it actually works. So stay tuned for that. Also, you can ask your questions related to anything to the PlayStation as well as this unit. Alright guys, from Blog Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.